Hey guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Hey RVW video. Today's question is, what is a travel trailer? Simply put, a travel trailer is a form of an RV. It hooks to the back of your tow vehicle. Some people will literally hook it to their bumper. Most people though will have a hitch installed into the frame of the back of their tow vehicle, and they will then hook the RV or the travel trailer right to that hitch. Really cool thing is that you can use multiple tow vehicles when you're towing a travel trailer. So there's a travel trailer for the small SUV, travel trailer for the mid SUV, travel trailer for the large SUV, and a travel trailer for pickup trucks. Again, small and large pickup trucks. And finally, some people even find travel trailers that they can tow behind a car. So you get a lot of versatility in tow vehicles when you buy a travel trailer. Travel trailers have lots of lightweight options that you can choose from. There's some that are incredibly lightweight, almost no weight at all, 2,000 pounds and under, and then there are some that are longer and are going to be heavier, of course, but only travel trailers give you that lightweight option. Travel trailers are shorter and have shorter floor plans that allow you to fit into almost every single campsite. Often when traveling out west, for example, people will find that their motorhome didn't fit or their fifth wheel won't fit into a campsite. But almost always you're going to be able to fit your travel trailer in almost any campsite at any campground. And again, if you go with a shorter travel trailer, which isn't an option for a lot of the other RVs, you're going to be assured that you can fit in a campsite wherever you travel. Travel trailers are very affordable, offering the lowest price point of all RVs. Motorhomes, fifth wheels are always going to be more expensive than travel trailers. So if you're looking for value and lots of room, a travel trailer is going to be by far your best choice. Again, just offering very affordable options. Travel trailers also offer endless floor plan options. You can get a front bunkhouse, which means you have a bunk room up front. You can get a bunk room in the back. You can get a front kitchen, a rear kitchen. You can get front living room, rear living room. So the options really are endless with a travel trailer. You can even get a combination of some of those, of course, but it's really kind of nice because there's a floor plan for every single person and every single use that is out there. Travel trailers can be single or double axle. Most people prefer double axle because it's a little more stable when you tow, but there are single axle units available. When are they normally used? When someone's trying to keep the weight extremely down because it's got to be lightweight to only be towed on one axle. So again, if you're looking for a very lightweight travel trailer, a single axle is made and it is available to you. Travel trailers range from 12 foot to 40 foot long, the average being around 30 feet. Again, it gives you great versatility, anywhere from 12 foot up to 40 foot. But again, the average being about 30 feet. That's why we say that you can fit a travel trailer into almost every campsite in the United States or Canada. Travel trailers are always one-level units. What does that mean? Well, once you get inside the travel trailer, there are never any steps. You just don't have interior steps. You're not stepping up into a living room or stepping up into a bedroom or stepping down into a bedroom or a living room. It's on one level. So to conclude, travel trailers are perfect for anyone. Whether you have a family, it's just you and your spouse or significant other traveling, individuals working from home that have decided to take their job on the road. There's lightweight options available to everybody. They're towable with many different tow vehicles. They can fit into almost any single campsite. There's very affordable options, and there's any floor plan that you could want.